You can start making a lot of money very rapidly no matter what stage of life you're in right now if you comprehend a few simple concepts. Despite what you may have heard, these money-making tactics are effective. These concepts aren't difficult to comprehend, but you must go through the process of digesting them in order to really comprehend them. You should spend some time thinking about them until they get embedded in your mind. Everyone wants to know how to make money quickly, and it's a popular topic. Most people assume that claims of making quick money are false. Those are the same folks who believe that money can only be earned via hard work and adversity. Despite the efforts, rapid money is still not an option. After all, you won't be able to get the rapid cash you need if you put in a lot of work. I can attest to the fact that the only way to make rapid money is to put in the effort. The more you battle, the less likely you are to be able to obtain the funds you require promptly and efficiently. This is the first and most important step. If you want to generate rapid money, you must first have a goal in mind. What amount do you require? Many people want more money but don't know how much they want. If you don't have a precise goal in mind, your desire is just a wish. Make it obvious how much money you require, and when you require it. This is the next phase in the process. The following logical step is to take inspired action. You feel compelled to take action after receiving a nudge from the cosmos. Your dream job, business, or entrepreneurial venture is just around the corner. It's pointless to try to do something that your neighbor or coworker has already done. What may be the best way for them to generate quick money may not be the best way for you to make money. Aside from that, your aims and the opportunities that are appropriately matched for you will help you to attain your goal when you want. The third and most effective phase is completed after you have a clear vision of what you want to accomplish. This is by far the most prevalent blunder. People are usually paralyzed by the fear that their goal will never be realized, which causes them to delay taking action. I've made promises to myself before, just to let my fears get in the way. Holding your vision in this manner allows you to feed it with your own unique powerful intention, allowing you to create money much faster than usual. Many people who have realized the value of having crystal clear vision have gone on to generate enormous sums of money on a consistent basis. Those are the individuals who have fully grasped the situation. If you put forth a little effort and have a strong desire to achieve, you can become wealthy quickly. Every one of these suggestions has shown to be beneficial in raising my bank account balance faster than if I hadn't employed them in the past.